So go to localwp.com and click on get started or download. Click on download for free, and here you have to choose the platform. I'm using Windows 10, so I choose Windows 10 64-bit version. Windows, fill information. I'm just using a dummy email. Click on get it now and wait for a few moments. Okay, it's downloaded. So now double click on the installation wizard or installer. Okay, so if you want to install it for all users on your machine, then you can choose this option, but I will use this option. So click on next. Click on next, and if you want to copy this path, then copy this path and paste in notepad and save it somewhere. We might use it at later stage. Okay, so click on install. Let the installation process complete. Okay, installation done. So check this and click on finish. In next video we will see how we can use it.